Was chaos at midnight for families forced out of their homes because of this flooding.
24-hour News 8's Marvis Herring continues our team coverage tonight. He spoke with residents as they saw the damage for the first time. Marvis.
Good evening. I spoke with one family who says in 10 years they've never seen the river cross over Water Street. Tonight, as they deal with this mess, some say they believe there could have been an earlier warning.
It was rapids literally going through the backyard. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. I just couldn't believe it.
Rick Smith waded through icy water early this morning, saving his daughter and 7-month-old grandbaby.
My daughter called crying that the river was flowing through our house.
This is our front yard, Mom. This is the river.
When I got in the house, it sounded like the house was falling down, not because of just that. It was raging out here. It wasn't raging over there.
Even with this flooded road, you can't really tell how severe this flooding is. We have a bird's eye view that shows all of the damage and ice, but you get the real idea when you step inside.
And that's a full basement.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's not a Michigan basement. That's a full basement.
That's about 7 feet deep, Smith says, and at his neighbors.
We've got 5 to 6 feet of water in our basement that we've got to get out, that there's really nowhere for it to go at this point.
Charles C. Abel's whole property, nearly a frozen ice cube. These are actual trees.
These are, yeah, they are. They're 15-foot juniper trees.
The pool deck and yard fence swallowed. Sidewalks glazed with ice.
It was loud and very chaotic, and like we were sending our kids out the door. There was a fireman waiting for them down there, and we're like, just go with him, we're coming behind you.
Everyone's glad they escaped, but Smith says he's told people upriver saw flooding yesterday. He hopes that's not the case.
I don't understand, if it flooded upriver yesterday, why would you think it wouldn't flood down here and warn us? And at least I could have saved my car.
And Smith says that water was flowing over the top of his car. We have seen American Red Cross out here as well as Consumers Energy. For now, residents say they're staying with family members, though they say even strangers have offered to open their doors so that they can stay warm tonight. Back to you.